Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.60 for mobile, which is starkly lower than our historical baseline. This negative sentiment, paired with momentum holding steady at 0, suggests a potential turning point in user perception, making it critical for you to dive deeper. Our API returns nuanced insights across 20 semantic clusters, helping you understand the underlying drivers of this sentiment dip. For example, if you're developing a mobile app, this data could inform your next feature update or marketing strategy. By addressing the specific concerns highlighted in the sentiment analysis, you can pivot your approach and potentially turn this negative sentiment into a positive user experience. For more detailed insights and integration tips, head to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.